All right, it's another simple dessert. High protein pistachio chocolate squares. If you like something that's sweet and delicious that you can eat for a snack or a dessert, you'll want to make these, and it won't take long. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. All right, so today it is a delicious recipe, high protein pistachio squares. Now, people always write me when I do quick and easy recipes and say that they appreciate them. So you'll really appreciate this one, just 6 simple ingredients. Now we're gonna be using some pistachios and some chocolate. So in a way, it's kind of like a Dubai bar, but a little different. Now giving it the high protein, I'm gonna use Complement protein powder. This is the protein powder that I take myself. I love it because it's vegan, it's super clean, and I always get the unflavored because when you get unflavored and you're gonna make a recipe with it, it doesn't really, alter or compromise the taste of what you're making because it's flavorless. So this is my protein powder of choice. I have a link in the description if you want to check it out and see if you're looking for a good protein powder. This would be great. So we're using the protein powder. We're going to use some dates to sweeten this. Dates are the healthiest sweetener, so I use them to sweeten everything, as you probably know. Going to use some pistachios. We're going to use some chocolate chips. Now, anytime that I use chocolate, it has to be organic. It has to be date sweetened, and I typically source chocolate that I know tends to be low in cadmium and lead and all the contaminants that can be in chocolate. We're going to use some pistachio butter. We're going to use some vanilla bean powder. Now, you can use vanilla extract if that's what you have on hand. I prefer the powder. It's cleaner, one ingredient, and it carries the flavor even better. And then, of course, as I said, we're going to use the protein powder, which is represented here. So 6 easy ingredients to make this quick and easy recipe that's absolutely delicious. If you're looking for a delicious dessert or snack, this could be it. Let's start putting it together. All right, so as I said, this is a quick and simple recipe. So all I'm gonna do right now is take all of our ingredients minus our chocolate, get it into my food processor.
And once all the ingredients are in the food processor, I'm going to process until the mixture becomes sticky and starts to clump together.
All right, so now I've got my base blended together. Now what I'm going to do is get my base into the pan. I'm going to compress it so that it stays together. And then we're going to start working on our top layer by melting our chocolate.
Now, I suggest lining your pan with parchment paper so you can easily remove the squares when they're done. Then you're just using a flat bottom glass or spatula to evenly press the base into the pan.
All right, so now I've got my base pressed and it's set aside. Now it's time to focus on the top layer, which is going to be melted chocolate. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Now to melt chocolate, I use it like a double boiler method. I just take a pot, like you see here, with some water in it. I'm going to get that water heated just until the point where it starts to bubble lightly, and once it does, I'm gonna melt my chocolate. Now I can pour the chocolate in right now and wait for it to heat up. And while we're waiting for it to heat up, you don't have to do anything. Once it starts to get hot, the temperature starts to elevate, then I'll use my whisk just to stir it around and keep the chocolate moving so it melts evenly. And then we're ready to pour it over top, and we have these delicious desserts just like that.
Okay, so something I forgot to mention is that for this dessert, I'm using raw pistachios and raw pistachio butter with no added oil, salt, or sweeteners. These are the ones I prefer. Now, once I add the chocolate layer, I'm just dropping small amounts of pistachio butter on top of the melted chocolate. Then I'm using a toothpick to drag and swirl the pistachio butter through the chocolate to create a design like you see here.
All right, so now we've got the whole thing complete. Our base is done. I've got the chocolate over top. You saw me make the little designs with the pistachio butter purely for aesthetics. Don't have to do it that way. I like to do it that way. Now it's time to get this in the fridge. We're gonna let it set and get hard, and then we'll take it out and cut them into squares and then have a taste for you, of course. All right, so now I've had this in the refrigerator. I left it in just until the chocolate, the top layer, is set. And now that the chocolate is set, we can cut them into squares and then have a taste.
If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below.
All right, so our squares are now cut and ready to taste. Now, it actually made about 5 more of these that you don't see here. This is all that I plated, but this is enough because I only need to taste one for you, of course. That looks good. That is good. And the best part of all, not only does it taste good, but we didn't use refined sugar. We didn't use any kind of refined wheat, no ultra processed ingredients, whole food, health promoting ingredients to make a delicious dessert or snack. Gotta make your own. All right, if you're new to my channel and you're wondering how to find the recipes, look below the video and tap on the word more, and you'll see the beginning of the recipe. tap on the word more a second time and you'll see the full recipe, and then you can begin to make your own. Thanks for watching.